Computer vision, one of the hottest skills in tech right now. Let's break down how it works, what you build with it, and where it takes your career. Simple and straight to the point. Face unlock on your phone, self-driving cars stopping at red lights, Instagram filters that follow your face perfectly, doctors using AI to read X-rays. All of this is computer vision. It is the technology that teaches machines to see. And right now, every major industry is looking for developers who know how to build it. Let's understand how it actually works.
Hey, welcome. Computer vision sounds complex, but the core ideas are actually pretty simple once someone walks you through them. That is exactly what we are doing today. Let's start from the basics.
Here is something most people never think about. When you look at a photo, you see a person or a car. When a computer looks at that same photo, it only sees numbers. Every image is a grid of tiny squares called pixels. Each pixel is just a number representing color. Black and white images use numbers from 0 to 255. Color images have 3 grids: red, green, and blue. That is what RGB means. That is it. Every selfie, every video frame, every medical scan. Just numbers in a grid. Now the model needs to find meaning inside those numbers. That is called feature extraction. Think about how you recognize a dog. You look for fur, forelegs, a tail. Those are features. A computer vision model does the same thing. It learns to find edges, shapes, and patterns automatically by studying thousands of images. The better the features it learns, the smarter the model gets.
So images are numbers. Feature extraction finds the meaningful patterns in those numbers. That is your foundation. Now let's talk about the models that actually do this learning automatically.
The most important model in computer vision is called a CNN, Convolutional Neural Network. Simple idea. It looks at an image in layers. First layer finds edges and lines. Next layer finds shapes. Next layer finds full objects. By the end, it knows exactly what is in the image. Like teaching a child to recognize a face. First eyes, then nose, then the whole face together. CNN does this with math and millions of examples. Almost every image recognition system running today has a CNN underneath it. Now there is a newer and even more powerful approach: vision transformers. Remember transformers from NLP, the technology behind BERT and GPT? That exact same idea now works for images too. Instead of scanning pixel by pixel, it cuts the image into patches, like puzzle pieces, and looks at how all patches connect to each other at once. This gives it a much bigger picture understanding. Vision transformers are now powering the most advanced AI systems, from medical imaging to self-driving cars. And this is exactly why learning transformers gives you skills in both NLP and computer vision at the same time.
The same transformer technology behind ChatGPT is now helping self-driving cars see the road. One architecture, 2 completely different superpowers. That is why understanding this deeply is such a career advantage right now.
So where does this take you career-wise? A computer vision engineer builds systems that see and interpret visual data. Facial recognition, factory defect detection, medical imaging tools, retail automation. The core skills: Python, OpenCV, PyTorch or TensorFlow, CNNs, and vision transformers. All learnable, all in demand. But computer vision is bigger than just one job title. It is a skill that applies across every major industry. Healthcare reads X-rays with AI. Automotive builds self-driving systems. Retail runs cashierless stores. Agriculture uses drones to monitor crops. Developers who understand both NLP and computer vision are incredibly rare right now, and that combination makes you stand out in any job application. The demand is real. The skills are learnable. You just have to start.
If this clicked for you, the full uCertify course is linked below in the description. And don't forget to follow the channel for more videos like this.
Drop a like if this helped. See you in the next one.